Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a bold and flavorful Carajillo inspired coffee, but with a smooth, non-alcoholic twist. Traditionally made with espresso and liqueur, this version keeps the rich, sweet depth of flavor without the alcohol. It's warm, slightly spiced, and perfect for an after-dinner treat. Let's get brewing. Ingredients: 1-2 shots freshly brewed espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 1 tablespoon caramel syrup, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, extract 1 teaspoon brown sugar, optional. Adjust to taste: 2 tablespoons heavy cream or half and half, optional for a creamy finish. Ice, for iced version, optional. Garnish. Orange peel twist or cinnamon dust. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee. In a small glass or mug, stir together the caramel syrup, vanilla extract, and brown sugar until fully dissolved. This mixture mimics the sweet depth typically found in a traditional Carajillo. Pour the hot espresso over the syrup mixture and stir well to combine. For a warm version, top with a splash of heavy cream for a smooth finish. For an iced version, fill a glass with ice, pour in the espresso mixture, and stir before adding cream. Garnish with a small twist of orange peel or a light sprinkle of cinnamon for added aroma. Sip and enjoy this bold, sweet, and alcohol-free Carajillo-inspired coffee. And that's your Carajillo-inspired coffee with a non-alcoholic twist. Rich, bold, and perfectly balanced. If you enjoyed this elevated coffee recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more creative drinks. Comment below if you prefer this style hot or iced. Until next time, stay cozy and keep brewing. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffee lover.